How to get on Tripadvisor. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will simply guide you through the steps on how you can get on Tripadvisor, get started, and then start listing your own properties. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to get started with Tripadvisor, first of all, open the Tripadvisor app. Make sure you sign into a specific account that you've created, and then what you want to do is just tap the review button, which is at the second last corner of the screen from the bottom right. And once you just tap on the review icon over here, you'll find the option called plus button over here. Just tap on plus icon. Once you tap on the plus button there, you'll find an option that says add a place. So all you have to do is just tap on the add a place button. Once you tap on the option called add a place, you'll basically see this type of interface where it says you to add a place to Tripadvisor. Now you can simply list an accommodation, list a thing to do, list a restaurant, or you can list a holiday rental. Depending upon whatever listings that you want to create, just select them here. It will ask you if you're the owner, employee, or any type of associates of that specific property. So I'll just select yes. Then does this place already have a listing on Tripadvisor? You can select yes or no, whatever else that you actually prefer. Then what is your role? Then again, you want to simply select what your role in this company really is, and then you want to select is this place currently available or open up. Just tap on yes, then tap and continue. Then after that, it's going to ask you to simply enter the name of the specific property. Then you have to enter the description of your property, which is but optional. Then if you want, you can enter the address and then country, the street address, the additional address information, the postal code, the contact information if you want to, which is the telephone or landline or whatever else you have, as well as your email address. Then once you've done that, scroll down. You can simply enter your Google map location over here. You can just select where it is actually located in. Then after you've done that, you can simply select the latitude and longitude and then just tap on continue, and then your listing or your property will be successfully created. And this is simply how you can actually get on Tripadvisor. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.